In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from emails in Gmail. Whether you're tired of a cluttered inbox or simply want to keep things organized, reducing the number of unnecessary emails you receive is key to maintaining a clean and efficient email experience. So, let's dive in and make your inbox a little more serene. First, let's start by opening your Gmail account. Once you're signed in, you should see your inbox displayed on the screen. Notice the vertical menu on the left side of your screen, which contains various sections like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. This menu is your main navigation tool in Gmail. Next, you'll need to locate the More option within this sidebar. Click on it, and it will expand to show additional options, one of which is Manage Subscriptions. Clicking on Manage Subscriptions will take you to a page that lists all the email subscriptions linked to your Gmail account. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list, providing you with a clear overview of the newsletters and promotional emails that frequent your inbox. Now, to the right of each subscription, you'll find an Unsubscribe button. This is the button you're looking for to start the decluttering process. Click on it for any subscription you'd like to stop receiving emails from. It's important to note that this action will prompt a confirmation request. Gmail asks this just to make sure you're certain about the decision to unsubscribe, preventing any accidental removals. So when you click unsubscribe, confirm your choice. And with that, you've successfully unsubscribed from that particular email. It's that simple. Repeat this process for any other subscriptions you no longer wish to receive. This method is an effective way to minimize distractions and ensure you're only receiving emails that are truly important or of interest to you. It's advisable to periodically visit your subscriptions list and assess which ones you really want to stay engaged with and which ones you don't. By routinely managing this list, you can prevent a buildup of unwanted emails over time. Also, keep in mind that while this method is effective for most subscriptions, you may occasionally find some emails without an unsubscribe option through this Gmail feature. In those cases, look within the email itself, often at the bottom, for an unsubscribe link provided by the sender. By following these steps and making a habit of managing your subscriptions, you'll find your inbox becomes much more manageable. A cleaner inbox leads to improved focus and efficiency, allowing you to concentrate on the emails that matter most. Happy decluttering!